Dahil ikaw lang ang natatanging lumaban ng matapang sa corruption. Saludo kami sa iyo, Tay Diggs.
Corruption must stop. You know why? I got 15 million plus. Because sabi ko, ito lang ang pangako ko at gagawin ko talaga. I will stop corruption in government. Today, kung cabinet member that during the meeting, I caught him lying. Sa karamihan ng mga cabinet members kami, sinabi ko, utang ina kayo, fired. Umalis ka. Tapos yung mga agencies na may 150 billion, akala nila hindi ko binabantayan yan. So lahat ng transaction, alam ko, at during may isang meeting sa mga regional director, sinabi ko sa kanila, anong nangyari? Putang ina, sabihin ninyo kung anong nangyari. Kaya, right there and then, sinabi ko sa aide ko, you call him, he has 2 days to submit his resignation. Ang masakit lang sa akin, he was with me since 1988 when I became mayor. Davao. Sabihin mo lang kung sino man putang inang yan. Huwag mo akong lokohin as a Filipino. Kasabi ni Duterte, sasampalin kita.